Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is drawing the Spider-Man. Yeah, I got the idea.
Check it out.
Here is a note. Thank you for the comments, guys. I got so many comments and I got the yummy. There's so many comments like that. I felt very happy, guys. And thank you for the more views. Okay. Now we are drawing the Spider-Man physical body and it's practical. Yeah. It's a practical picture is completed now. Guys, my next video is glowing outlines drawing. Yeah, in my style, guys, and I'm gonna draw one girl. Yeah, editing in progress in that video. After uploading this tomorrow, I mean the next day, I will upload that video and don't miss to watch. If you like my commentary, subscribe. If you like my drawings, like. If you like both, share and comment down, guys. Guys, please comment down which style I want to try, which drawing I want to draw. Then I will make sure it happens. Yeah. I want to say one thing. For all videos, I'm giving a big gap because it is exam time for me, guys. That's why. Yesterday only completed, but no classes. No, they will give the lessons. That's why I am not taking the video. I will upload some little bit late. Okay, don't worry. Guys, I got an idea that is if you want like that cooking videos, I kept the noodles video, that one I'm gonna say. If you want like that cooking videos, comment down and I'll keep one by one and step by step. Okay. And finally this. Make sure like, share, subscribe, guys. Bye bye.